In this task, you are going to arrange various creatures within some sort of logical pattern so that they form an organized rectangular block, just as Dmitry Mendeleev did with the elements from the periodic table. Within each group means column, the creatures in that group must be exactly the same in some way. So they have some sort of key similarity. And they must also share some feature that changes regularly as you move down the group. So something that varies. Similarly, within each period means a row, all of your creatures in that period must be exactly the same way, must be the same in some way. So they have some sort of key similarity, and they must also share some sort of feature that changes regularly within that row or period. Okay, so something that varies. Note that two creatures are missing from your set, and by leaving these empty spaces in the set, you can then figure out the properties of the surrounding elements or creatures in this case, and you can kind of predict what those missing creatures would look like. So, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your aliens from your stack here and you're going to start moving them into this grid. Okay. And hopefully you will come up with some sort of pattern. So, I have to see something has to be the same within each column. So I don't see anything here that's the same about these guys too much. This guy's got 3 eyes and 5 fingers. This guy has 2 fingers. Okay. If you're getting stuck, maybe you can use some of the hints here. Okay. Once you have figured out your grid, what you're going to do is with the missing creatures, you're going to grab your pen and you're going to draw in the missing creatures to the best of your ability. Again, try your best. So let's say that this is what the missing creature is supposed to look like over here, and you're going to draw it in. Okay, I'll get the gist of what you're doing. And then you're going to take a screenshot of your final organized creature of periodic table of creatures, and you're going to upload that to the Dropbox. Again, always feel free to reach out if you have any questions or concerns.